Ableton versus Cubase. In today's video, we are going to compare Ableton versus Cubase. So let's get started. First, we will see their primary strength. Ableton provide live performance in electronic music production. On the other hand, Cubase have traditional studio production and recording. Ableton workflow session view for non-linear composition and improvisation, while Cubase has traditional linear timeline-based workflow. Ableton has excellent real-time audio wrapping, while Cubase has advanced editing and professional mixing tools. Ableton Live have efficient MIDI piano roll and note writing option, but Cubase has more powerful and detailed MIDI arrangement capabilities. Ableton Live have generally considered easier to learn initially, but Cubase can have a steeper learning curve due to its depth. Ableton have streamlined and powerful audio group routing service, while Cubase have more traditional but robust mixing and effect routing. So, choose Cubase if you have a traditional music background and prefer a linear studio-focused workflow. But if you need professional grade recording, mixing, and MIDI editing tools for projects like film scores or rock music, Cubase is best. You prefer a DAW with a deep feature, set focused on precise audio and MIDI arrangement from the start, then it is also a best option. So when to choose Ableton, you perform live and need a tool for on-the-fly arrangement and performance. And you also need primarily make electronic music, want a fast loop-based workflow, or if you value an intuitive interface and powerful audio wrapping, then Ableton is the best choice. So that's all. That's how you will choose the best between Ableton and Cubase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.